This is Vicky from WSr&x, and I'm the sales representative.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And is this your first time at Sensors Converge?
Yeah. This is the first time we come to Sensors Converge.
And why are you at the show?
Because we know this is North America's largest electronic event for the design engineer. So we also want to have a face-to-face communication with more the engineers and users. So to truly understand what they want, what they need, so we can better support them to continue to innovate. Yeah.
And so what is your main business?
Our main business contains two aspects. So firstly, we can help our customer to find some obsolete, hard to find, end of life and shortage parts very easy because we have a global supply chain management. And secondly, we can also provide the regular items with a very competitive price. And normally we can ship the parts within 24 hours, so you can receive the parts within 1 week. Yeah.
And what's the value that you bring to customers?
So WSr&x was established in 1999 and have 23 years experience in this industry to supply the electronic components. And we have the very excellent reputation at home and abroad. And also last year, WSr&x was rated as one of the top Asian distributors by the Source Today. So no matter you are an engineer or student, you can just buy the parts from us directly at the best price. Yeah.
And so what do you guys do for the development of the sensor innovation era? How are you?
So WSr&x can effectively solve the problems of the procurement, especially for those manufacturing customer groups. Because normally they will focus on the trial production or research and development or some order production orders. So these kind of orders are very scattered, and the purchasers will face the problems such as the high search prices, high costs, and face the counterfeit parts or the refurbished parts. But WSr&x can help them to solve all these problems. They can just buy things from us directly to save a lot of time and get the best price. And we can promise them our parts are 100 new and original and give them 1 year guarantee. Yeah.
So you guys have a lot of certifications. Can you talk a little bit more about your quality?
Yeah. So actually we have our own testing lab, and we will test all the parts twice. Firstly, when they enter our warehouse, we will check all the parts condition. And secondly, before the shipping to the customers, we'll check again so that we can promise the parts will receive all the goods perfect.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
So what's your view as a future of sensor innovation and development?
So we think the fully electronic, the fully e-supply chain management will be the future trend, because the e-supply chain management can closely connect the customers, suppliers, and enterprises in a global scale, and people can exchange the information in a timely manner. Yeah. So in the future, WSr&x will continue to focus on providing the widest selection of electronic components and giving the best service to customers and shipping the parts with the fastest speed. Yeah.